wondered what happens to your brain when you pull an all-nighter? Maybe it's work deadlines, binge watching your favorite series, or scrolling endlessly on your phone, but staying up all night is more common than ever. While it may feel like you're being productive or catching up on life, the truth is your brain pays a hefty price. From cognitive decline to emotional instability, the effects of sleep deprivation on your mind are both fascinating and alarming. In this video, we'll uncover why we are compelled to stay awake, why sleep feels elusive during the night, and the profound impact of sleeplessness on the brain. So, let's dive into the psychology behind those restless nights. So, why we don't feel sleepy at night? Circadian rhythm disruption. Our bodies follow an internal biological clock known as the circadian rhythm, which regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Exposure to artificial light, especially blue light emitted from screens, confuses this natural clock, making it harder to fall asleep. This light suppresses the production of melatonin, the hormone that signals our body it's time to sleep. Additionally, irregular sleep schedules caused by late-night activities or inconsistent bedtime routines further misalign the circadian rhythm, creating a state where the body is awake even when it should naturally feel sleepy. Stress and hyperarousal. Chronic stress activates the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal (HPA) axis, leading to increased production of cortisol, the body's primary stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels keep the brain in a hyperalert state, preventing relaxation and the transition into sleep. This heightened arousal can manifest as racing thoughts, physical tension, or a constant feeling of unease, all of which counteract the natural process of winding down for sleep. Over time, this stress-induced sleeplessness can develop into a persistent pattern. Stimulants. The overconsumption of caffeine, nicotine, or energy drinks late in the day significantly delays the onset of sleep. Caffeine blocks adenosine receptors in the brain, which are responsible for promoting sleepiness. Even small amounts consumed in the afternoon or evening can have lingering effects, as caffeine has a half-life of several hours. Nicotine, a stimulant found in tobacco, has a similar effect, keeping the brain and body in a state of alertness long after it's consumed. Overstimulation. Late-night exposure to intense content, whether from thrilling TV shows, heated conversations, or high-stakes work tasks, engages brain circuits that activate the fight-or-flight response. This overstimulation triggers a release of adrenaline and dopamine, which counteract feelings of fatigue. The mind becomes too active to settle into the calm state needed for sleep, creating a cycle where mental and emotional stimulation delays the body's natural sleep signals. Underlying sleep disorders. Sleep disorders like insomnia, restless leg syndrome, or sleep apnea can prevent individuals from feeling sleepy even when their bodies are exhausted. For insomniacs, the fear of not sleeping often exacerbates the issue, leading to a hyperawareness that makes falling asleep even harder. These conditions create a cycle of worry and wakefulness that becomes harder to break without professional intervention. How staying up all night impacts the brain. Cognitive function decline. The prefrontal cortex, which governs executive functions like decision-making, attention, and problem-solving, is one of the first regions to suffer from sleep deprivation. Sleep is crucial for memory consolidation, a process that transfers short-term memories into long-term storage. Without adequate rest, this process is interrupted, leading to forgetfulness and difficulty learning new information. Over time, consistent sleep loss can mimic the effects of cognitive aging, reducing overall mental agility. Emotional instability. The amygdala, the brain's emotional regulation center, becomes hyperactive when we are sleep deprived. This hyperactivity increases emotional reactivity, making minor irritations feel overwhelming. Sleep-deprived individuals are also more prone to negative thinking patterns and less able to manage stress effectively. Prolonged sleep deprivation can lead to increased susceptibility to mood disorders like anxiety and depression, creating a compounding effect on emotional well-being. Reduced creativity and productivity. Sleep is essential for divergent thinking, the type of cognitive process that allows us to connect ideas and think creatively. When the brain is fatigued, it struggles to form novel associations or solve problems in innovative ways. Additionally, sleep deprivation reduces focus and impairs the ability to sustain attention, resulting in diminished productivity. Tasks that require precision, such as writing or problem solving, are significantly harder to perform after a sleepless night. Brain health risks. Chronic sleep deprivation leads to the accumulation of beta amyloid plaques, which are associated with neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. These plaques interfere with neural communication and brain function. Moreover, sleep deprivation reduces blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain, impairing its overall health. Over time, this damage can contribute to long-term cognitive decline and an increased risk of developing dementia or other neurological disorders. Impact on the nervous system. The central nervous system, CNS, relies on sleep to maintain its intricate communication network. When deprived of rest, neurons struggle to function efficiently, leading to slower reaction times and impaired reflexes. This dysregulation manifests as brain fog, where individuals experience confusion, forgetfulness, and difficulty concentrating. Furthermore, sleep is essential for the brain to flush out toxins. Without it, these harmful substances accumulate, increasing the risk of inflammation and long-term damage to the CNS. Hormonal imbalance. Sleep deprivation disrupts the balance of key hormones, including leptin and ghrelin, which regulate hunger and satiety. This imbalance leads to increased appetite and cravings for high-calorie, sugary foods, which can impact brain energy levels. Additionally, sleep loss affects cortisol levels, prolonging the body's stress response, and reduces dopamine, impacting motivation and the brain's reward system. Over time, these hormonal disruptions contribute to fatigue, irritability, and even metabolic disorders. Digital detox before bed. Avoid screens and blue light exposure 1 to 2 hours before sleep to prevent circadian rhythm disruptions. Manage stress levels. Practice mindfulness or relaxation techniques to lower cortisol and prepare the brain for rest. Caffeine cutoff time. Stop consuming caffeine or stimulants after 2 p.m. to allow the body to naturally wind down. Sleep hygiene practices. Establish a consistent sleep schedule, create a calm sleeping environment, and limit late-night work or stimulating activities. Seek help for disorders. Address underlying issues like insomnia or sleep apnea with professional guidance to break the cycle of sleeplessness. Seek help for disorders. Address underlying issues like insomnia or sleep apnea with professional guidance to break the cycle of sleeplessness.